So I'm starting to try to be creative with these V-part wigs because they are definitely convenient and they can definitely serve some looks. So if you guys are interested to see how I achieve this kind of like a half up, half down, but like only for the middle of your head, just keep on watching. This wig is from Beauty Forever, and inside the box it came with an elastic band, an assortment of goodies with a bonnet, a melt band, and lashes, as well as the baggie to hold the hair. So this is the wig. This is the beautiful highlighted wig. Even with it being highlighted, you guys, it is not dry. It is not braille to the touch. It's very soft and it is definitely full. I am starting off with freshly washed hair, and my hair was just in 2 sections, and this is me just taking it out of those little ponytail holders. And this is my hair compared to this V-part wig. So listen, do not worry, because the fact that this V-part wig has roots that are dark, it's gonna help you kind of give that seamless look once you add your hair. So let's just see how we're gonna do that. Okay, so transparent moment. At first, I really wanted to try some type of style where I was using rubber bands to like connect the middle of my leave out, but I honestly just ended up doing a nice little slick back with my hair in the middle, and the parts that I am plaiting down right now, that is the actual leave out that will go over the V-part wig. So if you would like to achieve a look like this, you have to first section out the section of hair, but then from that section you take little sections to do your braid down for your leave out. So don't forget that you have to still leave out hair to hide the actual tracks of the V part, or it's just gonna look like you threw something up there and didn't want to cover it. Eco Styler is my friend on my hair, so that's what I use. You can also use a product of your choice or even conditioner to lay down your hair, because sometimes it does not take a lot of products like that. So I just use a little bit there, and I'm going to take my comb and just work that product through and just make sure it's getting sleek. I always do this when I really want that sleek look, and it really works for me. Once I have the hair sleeked up, I go through with my fingers, make sure everything's working good, and my leave out is growing. It's not as long, so it kind of works for this, but if your hair is longer, it's sometimes easier to do this. But as medium/short hair girls, we can still do it because these V-part wigs make it easy to do so. Once you clip on the V-part wig, now we need to work with this leave out. So I already have my middle section, already rubber band off, but the leave out part is now what I have to take loose, and that's what I'm doing. And curly hair, it's easy to manipulate it if you know what products work best for your hair, or if you know what method will kind of shape and define your curls. So for this, I wanted something quick, and I used some mousse. Mousse helps to get my hair defined but not too coiled, and that's really what I was going for this look. And then after the mousse, I went in with a little bit of that Eco just to lay my roots down just a little bit, and it really helped to complete the look. One thing I do when I'm adding product, I make sure to scrunch my hair, because if you try to twist it around your finger, that's like a finger coil, and that's not the look that I was going for. A crunch will give you a soft wave, but still give it like a curled look. Once everything is in place, we have our final look. And that is it for this video. So the rest of the clips just kind of show you how the hair looks. It's just showing you how I'm manipulating it and just playing in it and just seeing how it's gonna flow with me. I wanted to give a zoomed in look on how this V-part wig lays. It lays very flat and it's secure, and I only have a low bun under it. That's ridiculous, but it's very, very simple to install and finesse. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to give me a like and come on and just subscribe to my channel to come take off with me and come along on this journey, all right? As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye, beauties.